So the problem is the refrigerator door isn't closing. So I printed up a shim to go on the, I guess the pin on the bottom of the door to elevate it because it's binding. So if you have a binding door on your fridge, it's probably caused by a little plastic washer down there breaking out or disintegrating or getting old or someone hanging on the door. This refrigerator came with the house about, I don't know how old it is, but we've been here about a year and a couple months. And I want to get rid of it come tax time, so I'm going to show you how to just get you by. I can't seem to make it to the store at night, so things are it's just closed by the time I get there. So I went ahead and printed this today. I'll put a link to the STL file below, and it just goes in there. It just goes right on the pen, just clicks in there, click, and it holds and it'll lift your door. Done it before. This is a temporary fix, or you just print more, I guess, or you put like a piece of metal or washer on top and cut it and make it last, I don't know, a long time. But did this first time I did it when I first moved in. It lasted about almost I moved in. About 8-9 months, it just depends on the friction. So let me show you the printing file, and let me show you how to stick it in real easy. It's like a 30-second fix. Just lift the door up and put it on the pin. Alright, so let me get to that. I'll edit it all together and make it look kind of pretty. Alright. So here's the piece. Let me switch hands here. There we go. Here's the piece. It's the shim. It's going to go right in like this, only down there. And it clips. See, there's little tiny clips on there. Bumps. Well, and folks, there we go. Little tiny clips inside there. So I'll just go on the thing, and I'll hold the door open. So open the door a little bit. So if you can see, there's this much play in the door. Alright, now let me go over here and show you why we need to do this, because I should do that first. Alright, so here we are at the door, but see, you pull it out, it's hitting down here on the bottom. And what we need to do is like lift to close it. See that? I'm sorry. I need to clean that. Anyway, it's hitting. That'll eventually break, so we're going to go over here. And I'll have her lift up the door, or I'll hold it up and she'll lift it. And then we'll put the clip down the bottom. Okay, and we're going to lift it, just put on that little latch down there, on that shim. Oh, I dropped it, there we go. So let me lift. I'm going to put it in there right like that. So you can see we got the bad shim in there anyway, the bad washers. Clip it on like that and let go. Stuck on my foot. And this won't come out because of that, but now we can go back over here and I'll show you. Okay, so here we go now, just like that. Nothing, see? It closes. So if you have a gap, you need the actual thing down there, but I don't have one, so I can't seem to make it to the store while they're open. And this refrigerator is really old. It came with the house, and I'm going to replace all these come tax time when everything goes on sale. So this will last till then. If it doesn't, I'll just print another one. But like I said, I don't like this refrigerator anyway. So that's it. That's a simple thing to get by. You just print. I'll put a link below where to get the STL file on that to print your own. You could also just put washers in there too, if you couldn't find a piece. Sometimes you can readjust that bracket. This is caused by people hanging on the door, or too many Cokes in the door, or too much weight on the door is what caused it. So, like I said, it's real simple. I'll fix. Now you can see where it was scraping down here a little bit, but still, not really. Alright, that's it guys. Have a good one. NCP out.